Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 14 factorization. Exercise 14.2, question number 2. In question number 2 have factorize the following expression. The first part of question number 2 is given here for p square minus 9 cube square. Okay, so how can you find its factorization? So I hope all of you know the third identity. What is the third identity? Third identity is that difference of 2 square. Difference of 2 square is equal to sum of the number into difference of the number. It means that you can write it difference of 2 square is a square minus b square. This is equal to, you can write a plus b into a minus b. This is the difference of 2 square. Also you can say a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So you can write it like that. What is 4? You can write 4 is square of 2 and 9 is also square of 3. So you can write square of 2, 4 becomes square of 2 into square of p minus 9 becomes square of 3 into square of cube. Okay, but also we know that if a to the power m into b to the power m, here you can see base are different but power is same, then you can write it a b to the power m. Clear? So here you can write it 2m 2p to whole square of 2p minus whole square of 3q. Clear? Now, so you can see this is also the difference of 2 square 2p square whole square of 2p minus whole square of 3q. So you can write it, this is the form of a square minus b square. This is equal to, you can write it a plus b into a minus b. Clear? So this is equal to, we can write 2 plus 3q. Here a is equal to 2p and b is equal to 3q. So it's become 2p plus 3q into 2p minus 3q. This is clear? So you can see here we already factorize 4p square minus 9 q square. This is equal to 2p plus 3q into 2p minus 3q. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next questions. What have we next question? Let's see. Next part and second part of question number 2 is that 33a square minus 112 b square. So let's see how to factorize the second part of question number 2 of this exercise 14.2. Okay, so you can write here, this is the second part of question number 2. This is given here 63 a square minus 112. 63 a square minus 112 b square. Clear? So what is the common between them? Tell me. What is the so in this question 63, we write 63 is equal to 7 into 9. Okay, and 12 112 is equal to what? 7 into 16. 16 7 ja 12 and 9 7 ja 16 7 ja 112 and 9 7 ja 69. Okay, So here you can see what is common between them. Here 7 is common. So first we take common 7. Here you can take common 7. Then we have here 9 a square minus here 16 b square. This is clear? If we take common 7 from 63 and the 12, then it's become 9 and the 16. You can see here. Okay? Now, so I hope all of you understood these steps. Now we can write it like this. And 9 is, what is 9? 9 you can write it a square of 3 into a square minus 16 is square of 4. 16 is equal to square of 4 into b square. Clear now? You can also write it 3 whole square of 3a minus whole square of 4b. Clear? Whole square of 4b and whole square of 3a. Clear? Because you know very well, you know this law of exponent. If a to the power m into b to the power m, here you can see base are different but the power are same, then you can write it ab to the power m. Clear? ab means a into b. So here you can also write it. And as you know, the third advantage of what is the third advantage? Third advantage is a square minus b square, like this, a square minus b square. This is the difference of 2 square. This is equal to what? This is equal to, you can write a plus b into a minus b. Clear? A plus b into a minus b. So you can write here 7 into a plus b means 3a plus 4b into 3a minus 4b. Clear? So in this way you can see, you find the factors of 63a square minus 112 b square is equal to 7 into 3a plus 4b into 3a minus 4b. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. This is second part of question number 2 exercise 14.2. Now we are going to discuss next part, third part of question number 2. Third part is that 49 s square minus 36. Okay, we need to factorize it. The third part of question number 2 is that 49 s square minus 36. This is the third part of question number 2 of 49 s square minus 36. Clear? So 49 is square of 7 into s square minus square of 6. Also you can write it 7x square whole square minus 6 का whole square. Okay, this is the form of this a square minus b square. This is equal to, you can write it a plus b into a minus b. Clear? Now, so this is the a. 7x is equal to a and 6 is equal to b. If you put here, so you obtain that this is also the a square minus b square, the form of a square minus b square, or you can say this is a difference of 2 square. So this is equal to, you can write the 7x plus 6 into 7x minus 6. Clear? So here you can see, you find the factors of 49x square minus 36 is equal to 7x plus 6 into 7x minus 6. Okay, so now we are going to discuss next part, part fourth of question number 2 is that 16 x power 3 minus 144 x cube. Okay. Now next part of question number 2, this is fourth part, and 16 x power 5 minus 144 x power 3. Okay, so let's see how to find the factor of fourth part of question number 3. The fourth part of question number 3 is given here, 16 x power 5 minus 144 x power 3. Clear? So you can write 16 x power 5 is equal to what? 16 x power 3 into x square. Okay. Again you can write 144 x cube is equal to 9 into 16 x cube. 69 is 144, and here 6 x power 5 you can write it x power 2 into x power 3, because in the case of multiplication, if the base are same, then their power will add. Here you know very well that if a power m into a power n, in the case of multiplication and the base are same, then this is equal to m plus n. Clear? So we use this law of exponents. We can express 16 to the power x power 5. This is equal to 16 into x power 3 into x power 2. And here this is 144. So you know very well 16 9 is 144. So you can write it 9 into 16 into x power 3. Okay. So here what is the common between them? You can say 16 x power 3 is common between them. So here you take 16 x power 3 as a common. Now, so here we have x power 2 minus here 9. Clear? After taking 16 x power 3 as a common, then we have x square minus 9. Also you can write it 16 x power 3 into x square of 9 is square of 3. So this is a part, this is a form of a square minus b square, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. This is equal to what? This is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Clear? This is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we can write it 16 x power 3 into a plus b is x plus 3, a minus b is x minus 3. Clear? So in this way you can see find the factorization of factors of 16 x power 5 minus 144 x cube. This is the factors of 16 x power 5 minus 144 x power 3. Clear? So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Now we are going to discuss next part, fourth part, fifth part. Fifth part is that whole square of a plus b minus whole square of a minus b. Sorry, whole square of l plus m minus whole square of l minus m. We need to find its factor. So let's see how to find factor of fifth part of question number 2. In question number fifth part of question number 2 is given like that. You can write here fifth part l plus m whole square of l plus m minus whole square of l minus m. This is given. So you can solve this. You can find the factors of the given expression in two types. First you use first and second identities. After this you use third identities. So if you use third identities, if you take this is the square of a square b square. This is the form of a square minus b square, form of a square minus b square. This is equal to, you can write a plus b into A minus B. Okay. So according to this identity, we can write it A plus B, L plus M plus this is A and this is B, L minus M. Next bracket, A minus B. This is A, so this is L plus M minus L minus M. Clear? Now, when you open this bracket, then you obtain here L plus M plus L minus M. Clear? Now, in this bracket, when you open this bracket, L plus M, here minus, when you open this bracket, it becomes minus M plus M. Okay, now, so here you can see in first bracket, this is plus M, positive M, this is negative M. It will be cancelled. So here we will have 2L, L plus L, 2L into. Now, here you can see this is L positive, L negative. It will be cancelled. So here we have M plus M, 2M. We have 2M. So 2 into 2, 4. 4LM. So in this way you can see, you find the factors of L plus whole square of L plus M minus whole square of L minus M. This is equal to what? 4LM. Okay. So here we find the factors of these expressions by using third advantage. Okay. Now we again going to find the factor of this whole square of L plus M minus whole square of L minus M by using the first identity and the second identity. Okay. Now we check if we are using first and second identities to find the factor of this expression. The answer is 4LM or other. Okay. So let's see. So first we erase this. Okay. So here you know very well what is the first identity. First identity you know A whole square of A square plus B. Whole square of, this is first identity. Whole square of A plus B. This is equal to what? Whole square of A plus B is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay. And what is the first identity? And what is the second identity? Second identity is that whole square of A minus B. Whole square of A minus B. This is equal to what? This is equal to, we can write A square plus B square minus 2AB. This is the second identity, this is the first identity. So you can see L plus M, A plus B. This is form of whole square of A plus B. Whole square of L plus M. Whole square of L plus M. This is the form of A plus B. So you can write it L square plus M square minus plus 2L M. Clear? Again here. Minus. This is the whole square of L minus M. This is form of whole square of A minus B. So this is equal to what? This is equal to, you can write here L square plus M square minus 2LM. Okay. So when you open this bracket, so it's become minus, again it's become minus, this become plus. So we write L square plus M square plus 2LM minus, we open this bracket, it becomes minus L square, again minus into minus, this becomes plus, minus into plus, this is become minus, minus M square, again minus into minus, this becomes plus 2LM. Okay, so here you can see this L square is positive and this L square is negative. So you can write it, this is cancelled. Okay, now this is plus M square, this is minus M square. This is always cancelled. Okay, so we have what we have? Plus 2LM plus 2LM. 2LM plus 2LM. It's become 4LM. So we have here plus 2LM plus 2LM. If we add them, then we obtain 4LM. So in this way you can see here, if you use in this expression first identity and second identity, then we also get the factor of L square plus M minus L square minus M. This is equal to LMs. These factors we also find the using of third identities. Okay, so you can write here the factor of whole square of L plus M minus whole square of L minus M is equal to 4 LM. So student, I hope all of you understood and this questions very well. Here we use two ways to find the factor of this. Okay, first we use third identities, after this we use second identity and the first identities. Then we find the same types of factors 4 and M. Okay, so student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next part of question number 2. Next part means sixth part. Sixth part is that 9x square y square minus 16. Okay, so let's see how can we find the factor of sixth part of question number 2. Okay, so sixth part of question number 2 is that 9x square y square is the sixth part of question number 2. 9x square y square minus 16. Okay, so you can write it 9 is square of 3, so you can write it square of 3x square y square minus 16 is square of 4. 16 is square of 4, so you can write it, this becomes 3xy power 2 minus whole square power 2. You know very well, if a to the power m into b to the power m into c to the power m, if base are different but power are same, then you can write it a b c whole power m. Clear? So we can write it according to this law exponents. Okay. Now here what you observe here? Here you have observed that this is a form of difference of two square. It means that this is a form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So a square minus b square is equal to what? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This is clear? This is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So if you apply this third identity from the given expression, so it's become 3xy plus 4 into 3xy minus 4. So here you can see, you find the factor of 9x square y square minus 16. This is equal to 3xy plus 4 into 3xy minus 4. Clear? So then I hope all of you understood this part. This is sixth part of question number 2. Now we are going to discuss next part, seventh part of question number 2. Seventh part of question number 2 is that x square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square. We need to find the factor of this. So let's see how to find the factor of seventh part of question number 2. Okay, so this is the seventh part of question number 2 is that x square minus 2xy plus y square. X square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square. You need to find the factors of these identity expressions. Okay, this is given that x square minus 2x minus x square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square. So let's see how to solve this question. First you can see x square minus 2xy plus y square. So what is this? This is a form of a square whole square of a minus b. Whole square of a minus b is equal to what? Whole square of a minus b, you can write it a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is form of this. So you can write a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square of a minus b. Then you can also write this is a x whole square of x minus y. Okay, you can write it whole square of x minus y. Clear? So this is the form of whole square of x minus y minus this is z square. So what you see here? You can see here is the whole square of x minus y is minus z square. Okay. So also this is the form of difference of 2 square. This is the form of difference of 2 square. Okay. You know very well a square minus b square is equal to what? This is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Clear? So also you can write it. If you apply third identity, so you can write it first times plus you can write it ax minus y. This is a, this is b plus z in one bracket. Now in second bracket a minus b. This is a, this is b. So you can write ax minus y minus b z. Okay. So in this way you can see we find the factor of x square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square is equal to x minus y plus z into x minus y minus z. So we find the factor of 7 parts of question number 2 is that x square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square is equal to x minus y plus z into x minus y minus z. This is the factor of 7 part. Now the 8th part of question number 2. What is the 8th part of question number 2? The 8th part of question number 2 is that 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c squares. Okay, so let's see how to find the factor of 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c squares. Okay, this is the last part of question number 2. This is the 8th part. In 8th part of question number 2 is given that 25a square. This is the 8th part of question number 2, and this is given 25a square minus 4 b square, 25a square minus 4 b square plus 28bc plus 28bc minus 49c square minus 49c squares. Okay. So this is a given algebraic expression of part A. 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square. We need to find the factor of the given expression. So you can write it like this: 25a square minus, here you can take bracket, you can write it 4b square, it's become minus 28bc, it's become plus 49c square. Clear? Now, if you when you open this bracket, again it's become minus, it's become plus, it's become minus. Okay, so you can write it whole square of 5a. You can write it whole square of 5a minus. Also you can write it whole square of 2b minus plus this is the whole square of 7c. It becomes 2 into 2b into 7c. Okay. So we write it 5 whole square of 5 a minus. What is this? A square minus b plus b square minus 2ab. This is the form of 2b whole square of 2b minus 7c. This is the whole square of 2b minus 7c. Clear? So now what you can see here? You can see here this is the form of a square minus b square. This is the form of a square minus b square. This is a. this is b. This is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Clear? So we can write it. This becomes 5a minus plus 2b minus 7c. A plus b into minus a is 5a minus, it becomes 2b, this becomes plus c. So here you can see this is factors of 20, 5a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square is equal to 5a plus 2b minus 7c into 5a minus 2b plus 7c. Okay. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. In this way we complete question number 2. Okay. So enough for today. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.